Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash IT. Today we are going to learn about static method as part of Java 8 features. I have already covered functional interface, lambda expression, method reference, default methods as part of Java 8 feature series. So today in this video, let me discuss about static method. So an interface can have default methods. I have already discussed, right? Similarly, we can have static methods as well inside the interface. Okay, let me quickly go through the ID and explain the things. Let's get started. So let me quickly this one. We have the same interface. We have the default method. Let's make it abstract. Okay, this is the abstract method. Okay, this is the abstract method. Then let me write. In order to write the static method inside the interface, we need to use the keyword called static. Okay, static. Let it be one void method which is called voice call. Voice call. Okay, this is the static method. Static method is similar to default method in interface. This is the it provides the default implementation. But the thing is that we can override the default method of an interface inside the class which implement the interface. But static method we cannot override, right? That is the only difference. Okay, let me tell you why we need static method. In order to provide, we are writing the utility classes, utility methods, right? So to implement the utility methods instead of inside the class, that we can do as part of interface. For that purpose, we are using static methods, right? Okay, two things I have told. Let me how we can call this. Let me tell you how we can call this interface static methods inside the class. This is the similar way we have written. Okay, so how we are calling static method inside a class? If we are writing a static method inside a class, we are calling by the class name. Similarly, let me write this class. Let it be test class. Okay, test implements sim sim1. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, so we have one abstract class, so that we need to implement. Okay, let that is what is that video call. Okay, we have overridden, so let me provide the implementation. Okay, video call overridden method. Okay, overridden method just to demonstrate. Okay, let me provide the static method some implementation. This out static method of sim1 class. Okay, sim1 class. Okay, uh, okay, let me write the main method inside the test class. Okay, so in order to call this abstract method the method of the video call, then what we are going to do here is, like, we need to create the object, we need to call the method. Okay, since it is non-static method. Okay, so test, I'm going to write test, create the object, new test, where I have created the object, and on the test object I'm going to call what is that video call on the object. This, since it is a non-static method, so I have called based on the object. But I need to call the interface static method. So how we will call the interface static method? How we are calling the class the class static method as class name dot method name. Similarly, we are going to write the interface name sim1 dot then voice call. If we are this is the way we are going to call the static method of the interface. Let me run this. Okay, we are going to get static method sim1 class and overridden method. Okay, overridden method object class we are called first, then static method of the sim1 class. Sim1, not sim1 class. This should be interface. Okay, this is typo mistake. Okay, sim1 interface. Okay. Okay, we got that. This is not an issue. Okay, we got that. Okay, static method. I have explained how to write that static method by using the keyword static, and I have told this static method this cannot be overridden inside uh, the class which implementing the interface, and how the way I have told like how we can call the uh, abstract method and how to call the static method by using the interface name. Okay, now let me tell you one scenario. I have told this static method cannot be overridden. Okay, let me copy and let me write this static paste this static method. Let me rename this the implementation. Let me provide this. This is test class, starting method of test. This is the starting method of test class. If I call what is that voice call if I call, then which method is going to call? Okay, this if I call this voice method, which method it is going to execute? This is from interface or this is the class? Okay, this is going to execute from the class. Why? Because I have told this interface static method cannot be overridden inside the subclass, that is the test class. If explicitly we will write the same method inside the class which implement the interface, this method will be treated as self like own method of the class, not the interface overridden method. Okay, let me run and show you what it is going to execute. Okay, this is executed the static method of test class, not the interface method. Okay, from that we got that the static method of the interface we cannot override. If you try to override, then this will be treated as the own method of the class, implementation class. Okay, that's all for this video. In the upcoming video I will come up with new feature of Java 8. Okay, and in the description I will provide the link of this playlist, so that whoever have not gone through, he or she can go through the previous video. That's all for this video. Thank you.